I am a friendly cube. I have 6 flat faces, 12 straight edges, and 8 sharp corners. I am a perfect 3D shape. Let's look at some real-life examples, like these rolling dice, or this colorful puzzle cube, and even this pretty gift box. Can you find a cube in your home? Hello, I am a cuboid. I am like a long box. I have 6 rectangular faces and 12 straight edges, with 8 sharp corners. Now let's look at some real-life cuboids, like this tasty cereal box, or this strong brick, and even this interesting book. Can you spot more cuboids around? Hello! I am a cylinder. I have 2 flat faces and 1 curved surface. I have no edges or vertices like a box. I am a perfectly round 3D shape.
Let's learn about the cylinder. Look, it's a soft drink can. Now it's a glowing candle. It can be a water pipe or even a strong battery. Can you spot any cylinders in your kitchen?
Hello, I am a top called an apex and 1 flat circular base. My curved surface meets at the top. I'm a perfect cone shape.
Let's learn about the cone shape. Look, it's an ice cream cone. Now, it's a birthday cap. It can be a traffic cone or even a Christmas tree. Can you find a cone-shaped toy in your toy box? Hello, I am a sphere. I am perfectly round, like a ball. And I have no flat faces, no edges, and no corners. Hello, I am a sphere. Look, I can be a football. Now, I am a juicy orange spinning globe. And look at these shiny marbles. Can you find a sphere-shaped ball in your house?